Here are 25 free things to do in New York City that only the locals know about. Visit the Book of Hove. Located at the Brooklyn Central Library, this exhibit presents thousands of archived objects, including original recordings, masters, never-before-seen photos, iconic stageware, prestige awards, and recognitions from every facet of Jay-Z's professional life. This was a complete surprise to Jay-Z. He had no idea that they were doing this. They had a big celebration a couple days ago for him and surprised him with it. And it's really cool because this is where he's from. So definitely check it out. But this is something you have to do ASAP. It ends on this day. I'll put it on the screen, but really cool, and it's completely free, so check it out. Whenever you're done at the Brooklyn Central Library, just cross the street and go to the Fresh Farmers Market that happens every Sunday. This spot has some amazing fresh vegetables, fruit, art, just cool vibes in general. Stroll around, take a look. I got me some honey, but you don't have to buy anything. Just something to do and stroll around and see the area. And this market has been around for years, so it's a really cool spot to see in Brooklyn. So I know what you're saying. Everyone and their mamas already know about the Brooklyn Bridge. This is not anything new. But if you really want to see the bridge all by yourself and have it to yourself, you have to come during sunrise. That requires you being up at 5:30 a.m. But I would highly recommend the Brooklyn Bridge. Is such a beautiful monument to see here in New York. And I would definitely come and get some really cool photos of you on the bridge by yourself. You have to check out the brownstones. My personal favorites are the brownstones in downtown Brooklyn, in Clinton Hill, but there are so many amazing brownstones in Manhattan, in Queens. Check them out. It's a nice way to stroll around on a lazy Saturday or Sunday and just enjoy the area and see the neighborhoods in New York City. Check out a free jazz night at Cafe Urzuli in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn. Cafe Urzuli is a Haitian cafe and they throw amazing parties, y'all. But every Wednesday and Thursdays, they have jazz nights and it is a vibe. You have to go and check it out. Let's go thrifting, you guys. These are my 3 recommendations for good flea markets in New York City. They're completely free to go to. It's a great way to show friends who have never been to New York or who are visiting, and it's a way for you to show them new places, new neighborhoods, while you're still getting a good experience by being able to just window shop around and see different things that local markets are selling. You have to check out DeKalb Market Hall in downtown Brooklyn. The whole area is pretty awesome. They just opened a Primark here, but I love this hall because number 1, there's a Trader Joe's connected to it, and number 2, there's so many cool eating spots here. I love to just walk around because there's so many neon lights, so much stuff going around. It's dead right now, but when it's popping, there's so many people that are just walking around, eating, having a good time. And it's just a really cool area to be around. And again, show new friends, you do the cool spots that you know about. You have to check out Friends Boutique in Bushwick, Brooklyn, my neighborhood. It's such a cute little quirky spot. They have a lot of really cool, unique things in here. The people that work here are always really nice. They always have a really cool playlist on, so you can just come, zone out, jam out, and just have a good time looking around. It's super trippy in here, so if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. You have to go to The Lab at Schofields. This spot is an interacting shopping experience. I love going here just to see what they have. Again, you don't have to buy anything. You can just purely window shop. But there's a lot of interactive things and elements to the shopping spot that you can see. And there literally is a secret bookcase that has a slide in it. So you have to go and check this out, you guys. All you have to do is schedule a time for it before you go. Go to a day party, because why not get day drunk? And while you're getting day drunk, you might as well just go to a night party as well. Here are some Instagram handles that you should check out that offer a lot of free events, a lot of free parties. Most of them, as long as you RSVP and get there at a certain time, you don't have to pay a dime to get in, and they are lit, you guys. So much fun. You have to visit a park, of course, obviously, but not Central Park, you guys. One of my favorite parks is Maria Hernandez Park because this is a park right by my house. They have a lot of cool events here. They just renovated it, so there's like cool skate parks and everything. Go for a run here. And while you're by Maria Hernandez, you might as well stroll around Bushwick and see all the amazing street art in the area. Bushwick is known for all the art here, and you could probably pay for a walking tour here, but why do that when you can just walk and explore and look around? Like, that's free. Don't pay for someone to show you that. Industry City, it is a trek away in Sunset Park deep in Brooklyn, but they have a lot of cool eating spots here, a lot of cool working spaces here. They even have a Japanese market here. Really cool spot to go and check out. You have to check out the Socrates Sculpture Park. This park is so cool. Forgive the footage, this was from like a couple years ago, but it has such an amazing view of Manhattan. And when you go there, there are always different sculptists and artists that are constantly working on their new pieces. Things are always constantly changing, so you can go there every once in a while to see new spots. This is in Queens, so if you haven't been to Queens, this is a great place to start. And while you're in Queens, you might as well go check out the Museum of the Moving Image. They have free days on Thursdays from 2 to 6 p.m. This museum is super cool, you guys. Things are always changing here. They have this whole Muppet like exhibit as well that is pretty cool. So go and check it out if you're trying to explore Queens and see more of it on the local side of things. This is a really cool option for you to see. You should 100% go stooping in New York City. This is how most people furnish their apartment. Good way to see the neighborhood. Just walk around and see all the free things you can find. Check out the Instagram page for Stooping NYC also. Make sure to check out Domino Park in Williamsburg. This is a gem area, you guys. It has a beautiful view of Manhattan. There's a lot of cool little park areas where you can walk around, see the doggies. Just a cool spot to check out in Williamsburg and to stroll around in. Make sure to check out a show at the iconic Rockwood Music Hall. So many of the greats have performed here. Lady Gaga performed here when she was starting out, Louis Capaldi. They have free shows every Sunday, so make sure to go and check out some new up-and-coming artists and see if they make it big. Make sure to check out the Duplex on a Monday night. They have free karaoke nights, but their karaoke nights are not like any other karaoke nights. Like, these people have been on like Broadway. They're like amazing, you guys. You have to check it out. It's so much fun. Again, free. They encourage you to buy a drink, but I've definitely gone there and have not purchased anything, so check it out. It's in the West Village. Check out the Essex Market Hall. This place has so many cool like little vendors in it. So places where you can get like fresh cheese, fresh meats, some yummy pickles. A really cool spot just to like wander around. I like to kill time there. Some places give you samples too. Kayaking. I've done it before on the East River. It's completely free. I think now you have to schedule a time, so make sure to check out the NYC Parks website to see. But there's so many locations where you can go kayaking for free. Check it out, and just check out the NYC Parks website in general. They have a lot of free activities and pop-ups that you can go to. You can do like different movies in the park. They have one like every month basically. They have like painting classes, like really cool stuff, so check it out. Also check out these handles as well for different pop-ups that you can do around the city. Those are my 25 free things to do in New York City. Make sure you subscribe to get more NYC lifestyle and travel videos from me, and we will see you next week.